Let's go through the breakdown analysis of gold. So looking at on a daily time frame, so what you can see is basically on a daily time frame, gold just moved up, creating some sorts of a wick respecting the previous high and continue to push down. Means this does not tells anything for the confirmation. So let's move forward the lower time frame, that is a 4 hour time frame. So what you can see is, looking at on a 4 hour, it has some sorts of a support at this point. Likewise, it has another supports at this point, and there is a bullish candle printing here. There is a high probability that it will continue to push up to fill this wick on a 4 hour time frame. So let's move towards the further lower time frame, that is a 1 hour time frame. So what you can see is, on a 1 hour time frame, you probably see that this candle has created some sorts of a support at this point, but the way the bullish candle printed is like a small body and having equal rejections, means it is not giving any confirmations for whether the price move up or down. So basically this is not a tradable zone. And let's move towards the 30-minute time frame. So looking at on a 30-minute, this makes a little bit sense. So if you look at here, this candle has created some sorts of a support at this point, all right, and at the same time there is a resistance at the above. And just measure this range. If I measure this, okay, so it has basically made a, all right, so let me change the color to the yellow, not suitable. Okay, break and close above 29.31 would be a great some sorts of a buy for upward. But if you look at here, there is a rejections to the left, so we should have to be considered on a 30-minute time frame as well. So if we see the further to the left, what you can see is there is some sorts of a support at this point. Likewise, it has a strong support at this point, all right. So this is the basic things that we can see. But if this able to break and close below this range, or let's say if this able to break and close below this range, still there is a lot of rejections to the left, so it is not compatible buy for me. So I'm looking forward for the candle to break and close above this resistance at first, like this type of candle. So if you look at here, if this candle break and close above the resistance like this, then the next candle created some sorts of a wick and breaking the high of the previous candle, then it will be a good buy for me. So looking towards the further down time frame, that is a 15 minutes, so it gives us some sorts of a market structures. If the candle break and close above this 29.32 range and like a strong bullish candle, then probably we can anticipate the price continue to move up till this point, which is all about, like if I measure this range, like 70 pips is a decent move as well. Out of 70 we can easily catch 35 to 40 pips easily. Even after breaking this high, which is all about, we can expect 60. Out of 60 we can easily expect like 30 pips, all right, by breaking the high of the 29.34. so let's see what it actually happens. So I want to candle break and close above this resistance like this, and if this candle break and close above this resistance like this, then I will probably enter into the positions after creating some sorts of a wick, breaking the high of the previous candle to continue to push up. So this is my desirability of the candle to print in a next. So this is all about the market structures. Looking at on a 30-minute, it is still moving up, no problem. Still there is a rejections to the left, so it has to break and close above this 29.32 for a buy. Otherwise, I'm just to wait and see how the market structures and the market will play. So hope you guys all the best. Have a safe.